Today I want to show you how to make a UEFI a bootable USB stick. We'll be installing FOSSA PUP 64 into it, and I will switch to my main computer where it's UEFI enabled, and it will boot into that system without any difficulty. So first thing I want to tell you about this a website. I'll give you more detailed information under description at YouTube, but this has all the information necessary, and it's first you need to go ahead and download these two files. You just click and it downloads, and obviously you have to have an ISO. We're gonna use a FOSSA PUP 64 ISO. So it has a very clear instructions, but I'll go ahead and show you here, and we'll go ahead and close this, and then we'll go ahead and open up USB stick. It's a single partition with the ext4 file system. So these are the three files that that you need. Is FOSSA PUP 64 ISO, and these two files. So per instructions, what I'm gonna do is into the USB stick, we'll go ahead and create folder. So under mkdir /p, we'll go ahead and EFI folder will be created, and underneath that will be boot. So we'll go ahead and enter, and then that should be done. So this is the USB stick. Under there's a boot. Under boot we need to put in a boot x64 EFI. So we'll go ahead and copy that over. So we put that in there, and then we'll go back out to the root level, and we'll go ahead and put in grub CFG right at the root level. Okay, so now we need to put in several files from the FOSSA PUP 64 ISO. So we'll go ahead and click on it. We'll click again. Sometimes it takes 2 clicks, and put in SFS files. There's 4 of them, and also INIT, RD, and VM lens. So we'll go ahead and put all those, copy them into the USB. And this took a couple minutes, and then you have to obviously you have to unmount the so right now for some reason it's missing the mount small tiny icon there, so we'll go ahead and use the P mount. So right now it's mounted, and we'll go ahead and unmount it after it's all done. I could have done it in terminal command, but we'll just go ahead and do it. It's easier to visualize. So although it doesn't have the mark of mount, it is mounted, so we need to unmount it before we can remove it. So let's just unmount and see if it's finished. Okay, now it's finished, so we can safely remove it and put it on the UEFI machine.